Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, everyone, and welcome, Nexo. This is a grammar class about possessive pronouns.
Hi, Emma. I am ready to learn.
First, I will show the lesson structure. Theory. We learn the basic rule. Examples. We see clear sentences. Quiz. You choose the correct word. Nexo, are you ready to start?
Yes, I am ready.
Now we start the theory step by step.
Great. I will listen carefully.
What possessive pronouns are? Possessive pronouns show who owns something. Example. The blue bike is mine. Example. The red cup is yours. A possessive pronoun can replace a possessive adjective and a noun. Example. This is my bag. This bag is mine. Example. That is her book. That book is hers. The main possessive pronouns. The main possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs. Example. The small dog is ours. Example. The big house is theirs. No noun after the pronoun. Do not put a noun after a possessive pronoun. Example. This pencil is mine. Example. That chair is hers. Use my, your, his, her, our, and their before a noun. Example. This is my phone. Example. The phone is mine. Matching the owner. Choose the possessive pronoun for the owner, not for the thing. Example. The camera is his. Example. The camera is hers. Use ours for a group with you, and theirs for another group. Example. The green tent is ours. Example. The yellow tent is theirs. Common sentence patterns. A common pattern is, the thing is, plus a possessive pronoun. Example. The coat is yours. Example. The sandwich is mine. In questions, put is this or is that before the thing. Example. Is this backpack yours? Example. Is that umbrella theirs? Good work with the theory. Now we practice with examples.
Examples help me see the rule.
The black cat is mine. The white cat is yours. The soccer ball is his. The pink dress is hers. The family car is ours. The 2 bikes are theirs. This apple is mine. That orange is yours. The blue jacket is his. The green scarf is hers. The beach towels are ours. The school bags are theirs. Is this notebook yours? Is that lunchbox his? This bedring is ours. You saw many examples. Now it is quiz time.
I am ready for the quiz.
Choose an option. Mine. This pen is mine. Choose an option. Yours. The hat is yours. Choose an option. The toy truck is his. Choose an option. Hers. The yellow bag. Choose an option. Ours. The garden is ours. Choose an option. Theirs. The chairs are theirs. Choose an option. Yours. Is this phone yours? Choose an option. Mine. This room is mine. Choose an option. Hers. The red shoes are hers. Choose an option. His. The old watch is his. Choose an option. Ours. The big table is ours. Choose an option. Theirs. Are these books theirs? Good job. You completed the class.
Thank you, Emma. See you in the next class.
See you next time.